The 60-Second Driver.
Crashes between motorcycles and vehicles can have devastating consequences, but these collisions can be easily avoided.
There are steps drivers and motorcyclists can take to reduce the risk of serious injury or death on our roadways.
Motorcycles accelerate and stop at a much faster rate than cars and trucks. If you're driving a vehicle and you find yourself behind a motorcycle, leave yourself more space so you have more time to stop. Many crashes happen because the motorcycle wasn't seen. Sometimes a motorcyclist is missed on the first lane check, so take a second look when changing lanes or turning. There might be a motorcycle hidden behind other vehicles. It only takes a few seconds, but it can save a life.
If you're the one riding a motorcycle, try to stay out of blind spots. Occupy your lane in a position that discourages drivers from moving alongside you, and always wear the recommended protective gear.
Brought to you by Manitoba Public Insurance and CTV.